Okay, I promised a quick air test video on the Makro Racer 2. I mean, I'm not going to get into all the programming and all that, but I'm just going to show you the deep mode on this platform. And I was amazed at how deep the machine can air test when in the deep mode. And I thought I'd pass it along just to give you a little idea of what's going on with it. And I was getting my best air test results using the quarter. This is on 14 kilohertz. So I'm going to turn the machine on, and I'm already in the deep mode. And I'm just going to let you hear the quarter. This is the deep mode. That's a little bit on the slower side, so I wouldn't want to use this in iron or things like that, but I'll let you hear it. So that's about 8 or 9 inches. So if I pick it up so it plays out, I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's pretty good ways up in the air. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do like I did on my F75. I'll just flip it up here against this tree. I've got it in deep mode. I'm running about 80 sensitivity. And I'll just try to get you somewhat of a air test going with it laid up against the tree. Let me get the coil. So here it is. So it plays out, gives you a whisper right about there, which is about 2 inches past the cam lock or so. So I'll grab my yardstick and come in, and that looks like about 21 inches on a quarter for a whisper on this Racer 2. So I'm pretty impressed with that. I mean, that's pretty dang powerful. If you're somewhere out in the woods and you can get that little bit of an EMI out of it. I'm here in the backyard, but you can push it a little hotter on that deep mode. I was at one place out in the woods the other day. I was probably getting 23.5 on a quarter, but I mean, it was just a slight chirp. But I mean, you know, most motetters can't even get out that far. So I mean, it ain't gonna go on the ground that deep, don't get me wrong, but I mean, it's just something, things really impressive to notice, you know. And somebody was talking about the overload on the machine, and I'll go back down to the two-tone mode. So there's the quarter, and I can't get it to overload. That's scrubbing the coil. Now, if I got to something big, I'm sure it would. Well, I know it will. Like I say, I got this chair right here. It's going to overload, but it's nothing like the original Racer in terms of how quick it will overload. The coins just don't never seem to. That's rubbing right on top of it. So the overload problem taken care of. Is big iron and things, yes, but I mean, it's, you know, a lot of machines overload on big stuff, but it's not quick to overload like it used to be on coin size objects. So I'm not going to get into all the details of the program and everything, because I'm not for sure if they might tweak something here and there or change some lettering or something. This is a prototype. But you can also hear, I've got the, I don't know if you was paying any attention to that, but I've got the tone separated like I was talking about in my little field report I was doing, as far as, I don't know if I got any iron out here or not. So I've got the tones on that two-tone really separated. Let me see if I can find a piece of iron. There's a piece of iron, and I've got it real low, and I've got the coin real super high. So I've got them separated. One's as low in hertz as it'll go, and I got the high tone as high in hertz as it'll go. But anyway, I'm not going to get into all the other aspects of it, because not right now, not till I get the okay to say anything more, but because I'm not for sure how far they might tweak on these units. But as far as that depth, I mean, they're not going to change that. They're not going to change the tone. So that's a couple. And you know, the overload. Actually, the newer racers, if you get one, the newer ones, they don't do the overload neither. I've got one here in the house. It's got this new handle design on it, and it doesn't overload on coin-size objects neither. So, okay, I was just going to do this quick video and show you some of the air test depths. And just for that, I mean, that's amazing to me. Now, I don't expect it to do things like that in the ground, you know, but 23 inches or 21 inches, whatever. If you can get half of that in the ground on a quarter, you know, you're doing amazing things anyway. So, okay, I just wanted to show that real quick.